Hello everyone, welcome to Adventures Programming, and today we are going to make a Python program to find the sum of prime numbers in a list. Okay, so first I will take a list 1 and take it as the input equal to list map int comma input, and I will add here enter list here. Okay, and I will separate all the elements by a space split. Okay, and you write it or not. So here I will take another list 2, and it will be empty list, and I will append all the prime numbers in this list 2 and find the sum of all elements in list 2. Okay, so here I will take a for loop for I in list 1. So I am going to check this I is prime number or not. If it is a prime number, then I will append this I into list 2. So here I will take a variable status equal to 0, and now take a for loop to check variable I is a prime number or not. So to check prime number, we take a variable ranging from 2 to that half of that number. So for j in range from 2 to I divide by 2 plus 1 plus 1. Okay, so here I will add a condition if I modulus j is equal to 0, means this I is dividing by some value, means that will be not a prime number. So I will update its status by 1. So outside this for loop I will write a condition if status is equal to 0, means status 0 means this condition never true for that value I. So if status equal to 0, then I will append that I in list 2, append I. So let's print the list 2 by first. Print list 2 run 4512 enter. So 3512 are the prime numbers. So we are going to find the sum of this list. So for I in list 2 and take a variable sum equal to 0. So inside for loop you will add sum equal to sum plus I and print the sum. Let's run the code. Take this 43512 43512, enter. 5 and 3 8 9 10 11. Okay, I hope you understand the question. See you in the next video.